Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Go Native Farms. And we are here in the month of October, and we got froze out on our Jemez blue corn, and we're just going to show you guys what this stuff looks like. So you can see there's quite a bit of corn on the cobs, pretty much everywhere. And I pulled back the husk on this one, and I picked this one as well. So there's a lot of nice, really big blue corn here, and there's some red corn as well. I'm just going to walk through and show you what everything looks like. So we did manage to make it to the end of season without too many problems. There was some predators that got in here and they were eating up the corn. Might have been a squirrel, might have had some birds on it as well, and I'm not sure. We had a badger running around here. I'm not sure if the badger was chewing on it as well, but we did get a pretty good harvest of this corn. Corn's very tall. It's about 9 foot tall, and going to be harvesting most of this, if not all of it, today. And we'll just kind of walk across here and show you a little bit of the damage that the birds did, but not too bad. Overall, we had a pretty good harvest here, and the freeze wasn't too bad of a problem. So that is the Jemez blue corn that we're growing out for Native Seed Search. And you'll be able to find these seeds most likely listed at the Native Seed Search webpage. And we'll put the link below in the descriptions. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. And we'll do more videos and show you a little soil prep for the next season coming up. And hopefully you guys can try some of the things we're doing here, and hopefully it works out well in your garden. Thank you very much for tuning in, and have a great rest of the day.